How to fix AliExpress payment error. If you are facing this issue, then first of all make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes if you don't have the stable internet connection, then you might face this problem. And after checking the internet connection, go to your settings and then tap on apps and notifications, and here go to AliExpress and you will have a bunch of options. Tap on storage and cache. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here you will have clear cache option. Tap on that and clear all of your cache. And this might fix your issue. But if this still doesn't fix your issue, then what you have to do is open up your Play Store. And then on the search bar, search for AliExpress. And here make sure that you don't have an update. And if you have an update, then you can simply tap on update and you can update your AliExpress. And that's it guys, that's how you fix your AliExpress payment error problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.